Alexa, set a 1 minute timer.
1 minute. Starting now.
You're saying go up and look at the state of your teammates in the comments.
The comments. The comments. The comments, by the way. Oh, I didn't see it.
Also, you sound stressed out, mate.
I'm big chilling, bro. I've got Spotify going. I'm just sat in Discord with one of these. I don't know what the other two are doing.
That's good shit then.
I'm chilled, bro.
That's what I like to hear.
No, right, mate. I'm in one with Rico, but Emmy and Brian. I don't know what Emmy and Brian are doing. Emmy's in with someone else, and Brian's not playing with any of us. He's not talking to any of us.
That's not gone well.
Huh?
That's not gone well then.
Nah, we're just chilling. We're just getting easy games.
Oh, that depends, mate, if it's not going well.
Well, I mean, it's definitely not going well because we're being scrubbed out on map one.
What was that laugh?
Alexa,
Just...
stop the timer. They lost next step forfeit.
They forfeit.
Well, why are they forfeit?
Because they've not started map 2, and we won map 1. They're so fucking tilted. They're actually so tilted. They suddenly found on Twitter.
Weirdest. Played the weirdest kids in fucking Pro Points. Like, what?
Wait, oh. What the hell?
There's a guy in tower. Fuck on that roof.
Is someone's recording? They all left.
Dude, I followed my finger.
Report our win, see if they're disputed.
Not yet. I can't join.
And they inviting us back.
Well, you do know you have 14k, yeah? My dude. You got the money.
Start now. Be weird. I'm party leader. What?
You sure?
No, I'm not.
I'll break his armor.
They're gonna try so hard this map.
Oh.
Let's win.
Full break GAs.
He killed himself.
Oh,
Good actually.
I got the down for it. Let's go.
Okay.
I downed him when he was falling.
With a laser.
He jumped down the helicopter and let it land.
No, I ain't breaking him to start. I reckon they might break him though.
Yeah. I should have put streaks on. Fuck.
I've got streaks on. I should have had gunship on.
These kids are proper weird. What the fuck? Wrong rules. Wrong rules. They put it on fucking more than 4 max.
I wish they could hear us in game chat. I'll just fucking go straight.
Wrong rules.
Wrong rules, by the way.
Very wrong.
Oh man.
Why is the map not starting?
Well, they got to end it.
Oh my god, man.
No, not done it.
Bro, we've got free entry at fucking 10. Can these fucking idiots hurry up?
Whoa.
Is it gonna end it or what?
I've got a brand new combine harvester. I'll give you the gate. We can host if you want. It'd be wrong settings. They're trying to have a console host, that's the problem. Well. This is going well.